Hello YouTube, this is a Satsu 5. I can recognize a international package and I know what this is, and I thought I'd unbox it with you. So that being said, let's get down to business. Knife that I'm using is the Emerson Elvia. Let's see if I can a double package. A triple package. I don't know how many of y'all are familiar with Fatini-Patou. It's a French knife company, and this is almost a semi-custom knife. You get to choose what handle material, what steel from their selection of steels that they use, and you get to choose different features. Certificate of guarantee. Oop, drop that. Some paperwork. For those of you who don't know, Fatini-Patou is a French knife company, and they were awarded living history status, or living cultural history status. I can't remember the French terminology or the French name for it, but they are really, man, I can't believe I'm finally getting one. This is a Grail item for me, but they are really high quality, and they what you call it, that they were awarded a living history or living cultural history. So here we go. This is the knife. This is the Capuchet d'Eau, and has a pretty strong spring. Look at that. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I themed this knife after right after reading the book Hunchback of Notre Dame. I themed it after Esmeralda and Jolly. Now there's something to be said. This is ram's horn, not goat horn, and Jolly is a goat. But I picked emerald for the inlay in the lamouche, or the fly, and La Esmeralda, the main character in the Hunchback of Notre Dame, at least in the book, her name means emerald. And got a beautiful mirror polish. It's just a beautiful knife. I'm really looking forward to carrying it. So that's it. I'm a Satsu 5, and I'm out.